A few moments later.
This song is dedicated to all my supporters, followers, viewers. I hate to sing this song, but I didn't know why.
What?
This is song requested by me.
What?
Wala pa. Hinto pa. Medyo matagal ito eh. Attention na kayo ah. Kinakanta ko lang ito pag mga pag may bayad lang ng tako nito eh. Nagsisigan na to, binabayaran ako pag kinakanta
Ngayon
ko.
pa lang humingi ka
Pero
ng
ngayon
mga...
pa lang, libre niyo maririnig ang kantang to sa atin ko.
Ngayon pa lang humingi ka na ng pasensya sa kapitbahay mo.
Humingi na ako sa inyo ng patawad, hindi ka sa... She's gone all of my life. I was wrong. I'm sublime. I was so untrue. I can live without your love. Ayun lang pa. Napawag lang. In my life, all of my dreams, all of my dreams are lost. I'm wasting away. Forgive me, God.